You are highly welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would love to share this Nigerian beef and goat stew recipe with you. It's so yummy and so delicious. So if you want to learn how I made this, keep watching. This stew is like an all-purpose stew. You can use it for rice, yam, spaghetti, or whatever. We'll start by boiling our proteins. In a pot is beef. I'm going to add some washed goat's meat. Then I will season with blended onion and some seasoning powder and a mixed spices, that is coriander and fennel. Then I'll also season with ginger, turmeric and garlic paste. Then I'll also add some curry, thyme, salt. Then I will mix everything together and allow it to marinate for 45 minutes or 1 hour. It depends on how long you want your one to be, but the longer it marinates, the better the proteins will taste. Okay, next is the pepper maize I'm going to use. I have in there some Tatashe and shumbo. You can use any combination of your choice. Then I added some onion, ginger and garlic. I'll also add some Scotch bonnet pepper, yellow and red. You can use the amount you would tolerate. Okay, then I will cover, take it to the stove, allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to blend the tomatoes. After blending, I will take it to fire to boil down until the water is almost dry, and this will take like 45 minutes or less. After 5 minutes of marinating, I will take it to the stove to simmer for a few minutes without adding water on a low heat. Then after a few minutes, it has released some water, but some water you're seeing here came from the meat and the blended pepper. Then I'll add in some water, cover and allow it to cook until almost done. Next, I will go on to blend the pepper meat. I will transfer to the blender, add a little bit of water to help the blender do the job. Then I will blend until it's fine and smooth. I will set it aside to use later as we continue. Once our meat is done, I will take it off the stove and fry in a deep oil. You can also air fry or you grill, whichever way you prefer. I will fry until it's deep golden brown. For more interesting videos, guys, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and turn on the bell notification so you get to know when a new video is dropped on this channel. Okay, thank you. And to all my subscribers and returning viewers, thank you for always tuning in. God bless you. I added some chunks of onions for a bit flavor. Then I'll begin to fry the meat until it's golden brown. Then I will go ahead to sieve the meat broth to prevent bones from entering our stew. Our boiled tomato is almost ready, so once it's ready, I will set it aside so we'll use later. The meat has been frying for like 8 minutes now, so I'm going to take it off the oil and set aside to use later, and then fry the next batch of camera. The meat is looking so beautiful and the aroma in the kitchen here is so amazing. The tomato has boiled down, so I will take it off the stove, transfer in a bowl and keep aside to use later. At this time, we are going into proper making of the stew. In a dry clean pan, I added some part of the oil that we used to fry the meat. Then I'll go in with some chopped onion. I'll fry a bit until the flavor begins to release. Then I will go in with some tomato paste. This is optional. I love to use tomato paste to make my stew because it adds more flavor and at the same time thickens the stew. We are going to fry this on a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until the sour taste is almost gone. After about 20 minutes, I will go in with some cooked tomatoes. Then I will season with some curry powder, thyme, and some seasoning powder. I will give it a good stir until all the whole ingredients combine thoroughly.